Welcome you all to one more interesting session, and you are watching Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School's class, exclusive class for you. So children, in the previous session what we have learned, can anyone? I hope you all are remember. Yes? Yes, very nice. We have learned digraph. Okay, which content we are going to learn is from phonics skill book. So take your phonics skill book, and in the previous session we have learned digraph. Okay, so in digraph what we have learned, which sound we have learned children? Br sound. What? Br sound. Okay, so which vocabularies we have learned? Can anyone remember? Yes, braid, broom, brain. Yes, again come on, tell me. Yes, brown, branch, brick, broom, again broccoli. Okay, so there are more words. We'll take one short review on that. Okay, so in br sound, brave, B-R-A-V-E, brave, B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers, B-R-O-N-Z-E, bronze, B-R-A-C-E-L-E-T, bracelet, ब्रेव, जिसको हम लोग शूर बोलते हैं, जो बहुत ब्रेव होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट ब्रदर्स, जिसको जो भाई भाई होते हैं ना, वी कॉल इट ब्रदर्स. ब्रॉन्ज, दिस इज वन कलर, दिस इज वन शेड विच इज ब्रॉन्ज. द नेम ऑफ शेड, वन शेड इज देयर, द नेम ऑफ दैट शेड इज ब्रॉन्ज. नेक्स्ट ब्रेसलेट, ब्रेसलेट जो हाथ में हम लोग पहनते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रेसलेट. एनीवन कैन यूज दैट, मेल फीमेल. ओके, नेक्स्ट ब्रीथ, B-R-E-A-T-H, ब्रीथ. ब्रीथ माने इनहेल एक्सेल, हम लोग करते हैं ना, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ब्रीथ. नेक्स्ट B-R-I-D-E, ब्राइड, जिसको हम लोग वधू बोलते हैं, दुल्हन. B-R-I-D-E, bride. So children, brave, brothers, bronze, bracelet, breathe and bride, these are the br sound words. Okay, so in the previous session we have started digraph. What? Digraph. Now in digraph, br, kr, dr sounds are there. Okay, now what is the meaning of digraph? Can anyone come on? चलो याद करो, डायग्राफ का मीनिंग टीचर ने क्या बोला था? A digraph is two letters that make one sounds. डायग्राफ दो अक्षरों के संयोग से, डायग्राफ में जो दो अक्षर होते हैं उसके संयोग से एक स्वर बनता है, उसे हम डायग्राफ कहते हैं. ओके, सो विच आर दोज वर्ड्स? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस डायग्राफ consonants and vowels, both the words can be made up. Okay, now these are the examples of those digraph. So children, today we are going to learn one new content. Okay, same content in digraph. So in digraph only we are going to learn one new sound which is kr. What? Kr. Okay, so I hope you have ready with the phonics skill book. Come to page number 2727. I'll just wait for 2-3 seconds. Yes, have you opened this page, all of you? Yes. So children, see, I hope you have opened page number 2727. In the previous session, br sound we have learnt. Brown, branch, brick, braid, bridge, broom, brush, broccoli. Okay, now today which sound we are going to learn? CR, kr sound. Now children, if you will see CR, okay, individually if you will see, the sound will be k, r. Individually if we will see, the sound is k, r. K, r is equal to kr, is equal to kr. Okay, so first of all, you understand the sound. Okay, k, r. Individually, you know all the sounds A to Z, right? So k, r, and together kr. Together kr, जिसको हम लोग डाइग्राफ बोलते हैं. Okay, now there are some vocabularies related to this. CR, EAM, cream. Kr, cream. Cream. Okay, next CRIME, cr, crime. Cr, crime. CREATE, create. Create. Okay, CRYSTAL, crystal. Crystal. CRUEL, cruel. Cruel. Cream. Cream माने you know cream, what is the meaning of cream? बहुत टाइम आप जो बन पाव वगैरह होता है उसमें भी क्रीम्स होते हैं, and even though cakes, we eat cakes, right? So in that also cream is there. Next, crime. Crime माने गुनाह करना. Okay, next, create. Create माने कोई चीज नए तरीके से बनाना, that we call create. Next, crystal. Crystal is crystal माने stones. Okay, which are transparent. Okay, वो जो stone है वो क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? उसकी जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी है वो डिस्क्राइब करता है, that is called crystal. ओके, नेक्स्ट, क्रूएल. अनकाइंड पर्सन जो होता है उसको हम लोग क्रूएल बोलते हैं. ओके, क्रीम, क्राइम, क्रिएट, क्रिस्टल एंड क्रूएल. These are the vocabularies, these are the words of CR sound. If you will see here, some more words are there. CROWN, crown. Crown. Okay, CRAB, crab. Crab, crab. Crab. CRIB, crib. Next, CRACK, crack. Crack. Next, CRUSH, crush. Crush. Next, CROW, crow. CROW, crow. Next, crayon. Next, cry. Okay, crown किसको पहनाते हैं? Queen and king. Yes. Next, CRAB, crab, खेकड़ा. कहाँ होता है? बीच पर होता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट, CRIB, क्रिब माने इट इज लाइक अ क्रिडल. छोटे बच्चों को जिसको जहाँ पे सुलाते हैं हम लोग, यस, उसको बोलते हैं क्रिब. नेक्स्ट, CRACK, क्रैक. ओके, थोड़ा सा ब्रेक होता है ना, लाइक एग्जाम्पल ग्लासेस आर देयर, इफ द ग्लासेस आर देयर, और मिरर, तो उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रेक होता है ना, दैट वी कॉल क्रैक. ओके, नेक्स्ट, CRUSH, क्रश. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्रश? निचोड़ना. क्रश. क्रो, यू नो क्रो बर्ड का नाम है. नेक्स्ट, क्रेयॉन, कलर्स. क्राई, रोना. ओके, सो दीज आर द साउंड्स ऑफ kr sounds. Okay, now next, dr sound. Dr sound. Now children, if you will see, dr, individually the sound will be dr, and together dr. Yes, so these are the vocabularies of dr sounds. What it is? dr, 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 dr. See, d, r, individually d, r, and if we'll see together, one sound which is dr. Okay, so these are the vocabularies. dr, ag, dr, drag. dr, ag, dr, drag. Next, dr, ink, drink. dr, ink, drink. Next, drip, drip. drip, drip. Next, drum, drum. drum, drum. Next, dragon, dragon. dragon, dragon. Next, draw, draw. draw. Okay. Next, drill, drill. drill. Next, dry, dry. dry. Okay, so children, I hope till here you understood. Yes. Now what you are going to do is, show me your magic fingers. Yes, very nice. First of all, what you are going to do is, you have to give underline below these letters. Okay. Now repeat after teacher. Yes. What you are going to do now? Yes, children, show me your magic fingers. Yes. Now put your finger below these letters. Okay, and repeat after teacher. Okay. Say cr, cr, crown, crown. crown, crown. Next, crab, crab. crab, crab. Come to next picture. crib, crib. crib, crib. Okay. Next, ck, crack. ck, crack. Okay. Next, crush, crush. crush. crow, crow. crayon, crayon. cry, cry. Okay, repeat after me these words also. Same. Cream, cream. Crime, crime. Create, create. Crystal, crystal. Cruel, cruel. Okay, now these are the kr sounds. Okay children, come to dr sounds. Yes, now dr sound. Individually if we'll see, the sound will be d, r, and together in digraph dr. Okay, say drag, 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 drink, 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 drip, 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 drum, 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 drum. Put your finger and say it loudly. I can't hear your voice, everyone. Yes, dragon, 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 draw, draw, drill, 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 dry, dry, dry. Yes, now children, what is the meaning of drag? Drag माने खींचना. Okay, what? Drag माने खींचना. This boy is dragging something, right? In his hand, if you will see, something is there. Okay, so he is dragging. क्या कर रहा है वो? खींच रहा है उस चीज को. Yes, drink, drink माने पीना. You drink your milk, you drink water, you drink Pepsi, right? Next, drip, drip, बूंदे टपकना. What? drip, drip माने बूंदे टपकना. Okay, drum, this is the one, this is one play toy, we can call it drum. Next, dragon, dragon is the name of one animal. Draw, picture जो निकालते हैं हम लोग, that we call it draw. Drill, ड्रिल माने एक मशीन का नाम है. ओके, अगर हमें घर पर वॉल के ऊपर कुछ स्टिकिंग करना है या फिर कुछ फोटो फ्रेम्स लगाने हैं, व्हाट वी डू फॉर दैट? यस, हमें नेल को जो है, नेल जो है उस वॉल में लगाना पड़ता है, राइट? सो दैट टाइम व्हाट वी डू, वी फर्स्ट डू ड्रिलिंग. ओके, एंड इनसाइड दैट होल हम लोग क्या करते हैं, नेल को डालते हैं. देन वी पेस्ट आवर फोटो फ्रेम. ओके, पुट आवर फोटो फ्रेम ऑन दैट वॉल. ड्राई, सूखना, सूखा हुआ. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखते हो, इफ यू विल सी हियर सम लीव्स आर देयर, सो दीज ऑल द लीव्स आर ड्राइड. ओके, ड्राई माने सूखना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स ऑफ क्र साउंड्स and dr sounds. Okay, so children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is digraph. In that we have learnt cr sound and dr sound. Okay, there are more words related to this digraph. There are more vocabularies which we are going to learn to next session. Till then we are concluding over here, and I hope you understand our today's content. Okay, we'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye.